Welcome to your meditation. My name is Heather Ivany, and I look forward to spending some time with you today. If you're joining me in using your Align or your Affirm oil, gather that now. Place a few drops into the palms of your hands, rub your hands together, and hold them just in front of your face. Go ahead and take 5 to 8 deep inhales. I even love to hold at the peak of the inhale and just let the aroma infuse internally for a few moments before exhaling back out. Alternatively, you can use this oil directly onto your heart space and allow the pure qualities of nature to assist in drawing the soul back into alignment. This meditation is about alignment. When the heart space is heavy, progress is inhibited and stillness is disrupted. When we work on the heart center, it facilitates the restoration of the emotional balances by restoring the heart back into its origins and purpose of love. Take a moment to welcome and greet yourself. Please come into a comfortable position. Support your back if needed with a chair or a wall so that you can consciously begin to soften. Take your awareness to your eyes. Lay them deep into their sockets. Soften the heart into the pillows of the lungs. Coherence is the quality of forming a unified whole. It is the state when the heart, mind, and emotions are in energetic alignment and cooperation. Because the heart has more neurons leading to the brain than the brain does leading to the heart, heart-centered meditation creates coherence between the heart and the head and the emotions in between. We will share a breathing experience today called alternate nostril breathing. It's very simple and it's very balancing. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently out through your nose. Again, inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. Keep breathing just like this. And now bring your right hand just a few inches in front of your face with your palm facing your eyes. Fold both your index finger and your middle finger down into your palm, just about halfway down, so that your ring finger and your thumb are free. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently press your thumb against your right nostril and exhale out through the left side. Good. And then staying there, inhale into your left nostril. Place your ring finger onto the left nostril, and then release your right nostril and exhale out through the right side. Inhale through the right, pause, pressing the thumb against the nostril, and exhale out the left. Inhale through the left, pause, pressing your index finger against the nostril. It's a very gentle block here. And now exhale out through the right side, as though you're barely disturbing the hairs in the nose. Inhale through the right, gently pause and block, and exhale out through the left. Inhale through the left, again very gently, barely moving the hairs in the nose. Gently block, and exhale out through the right side. Continue here breathing alternatively in each nostril for the next few minutes. Just a couple of very sweet minutes here. Gently bring your attention back. You may release your right hand down and continue to breathe comfortably here. Notice any shift or balance in your brain or in your body. Feel the quality of the internal experience. Draw your attention into the epicenter of your heart. Feel first the physical qualities of your own heart, the enchantment of your heartbeat, even the gentle compression and release as the lungs fill and empty. Journey a little deeper into your heart space. Allow yourself to move past the story, the deep emotions that lie here, and see if you can come into the still point right in the center of your own heart, the anahat of the heart. From here, begin to recall the feeling of gratitude, either by transitioning into the state of gratitude or bringing to mind something or someone that you are grateful for. Allow that gratitude to swell your heart space. Merge the feeling of gratitude up towards the mind. Draw it upwards with your breath. Let it fill the mind space as you exhale. Inhale and feel the gratitude from your heart, drawing upwards into your head. And exhale and let that gratitude wash over your whole body. Again, inhale, heart to head. Exhale and wash over your whole body. Allow this gratitude to be like a gentle tranquilizer for the body. Gently return your awareness to your breathing. When you're ready, bring your palms in front of your face and gently rub your hands together. Create a little heat, a little friction. And now, when you're ready, cup your palms over your eyes. Feel and sense the heat from your hands interfacing with your eyes. Blink a few times. Release your hands down and allow your eyes to open. As we close this meditation, consider this. Gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership. When you are in an authentic state of gratitude, you're in a state of receivership. When we are in that vibrational state, we are in the place of miracles. From my heart to yours, namaste.